Is ChatGPT the blogging game-changer you've been waiting for, or a revenue-crushing robot revolution? Let's dive in. First, content creation struggling with writer's block. ChatGPT can generate blog post ideas, outlines, even entire drafts in minutes. Imagine feeding it a keyword like best hiking boots and getting a ready-to-edit article that don't just copy and paste. Add your personal voice and expertise to truly stand out. Next up, SEO. ChatGPT can help you optimize your blog for search engines. Use it to generate meta descriptions, find relevant keywords, and even rewrite existing content to improve its ranking. Higher rankings mean more traffic, and more traffic often translates to more income. Automation is another key advantage. Use ChatGPT to automate tedious tasks like scheduling social media posts, answering basic customer inquiries, or even generating email newsletters. This frees up your time to focus on more strategic activities, like building relationships with your audience. But hold on, there are downsides. Over-reliance on AI can lead to generic content that lacks personality and originality. Google also penalizes websites that publish low-quality, AI-generated content. Authenticity is key. And finally, ethics. Be mindful of plagiarism and the spread of misinformation. Always double-check the facts and cite your sources. Even when using AI-generated content, transparency is crucial. Let your audience know when AI has been used in the creation of your content. So, has ChatGPT changed blog income? Absolutely. Used responsibly, it can boost productivity, improve SEO, and automate tasks. But remember, it's a tool, not a replacement for your creativity, expertise, and ethical judgment. Use it wisely to elevate your blogging game. #ChatGPT #blog income.